A group of orphans in the township of Kambuzuma are receiving their only meal of the day. The charity providing the meal, Faith Community Support, says Zimbabwe's struggling economy is taking a toll.
In the
last 2 months, the organization that gives me 200 kilograms of maize meal per month has been struggling. They didn't have any maize meal to give us, so we have to buy maize meal to be able to feed the children. For December, I don't even know. Maybe we will get a meal, maybe we won't.
UN Special Rapporteur on the Right to Food, UHilal Elver, says Zimbabwe is facing its worst food shortage in years, with 60% of the population food insecure and 5.5 million people dependent on food aid.
Child deaths from severe malnutrition have been rising in the past few months. 90% of Zimbabwean children aged 6 months or 0 to 2 years are not consuming the minimum acceptable diet.
Elver said Zimbabwe was on the brink of man-made starvation.
Why I said the man-made? Something happened, not from the nature, but from the mismanagement, political and conflictual issues that bring to people starvation. Comes from dysfunctional system. Yes, drought is not man-made, but if there's a good management, it is possible to survive even during the drought period, which neighboring countries did it, and Zimbabwe did it historically in earlier period.
At the end of an 11-day visit to Zimbabwe Thursday, Elver called on Harare to increase food production to avoid shocks from the shrinking economy and recurring drought. She warned food insecurity and land mismanagement increased the risk of civil unrest. President Emmerson Mnangagwa's government says it is working to address the threat from food insecurity.
Given the drought, we need to climate-proof our agriculture. So investment in infrastructure for evacuation of water from dams is absolutely critical. That's why in the budget you find this large allocation for agriculture around the infrastructure investment, because without this irrigation, then we are exposed to climate change, and we need to deal with that.
Meanwhile, what was once the breadbasket of Africa has become dependent on food aid, and the most vulnerable in Zimbabwe are left guessing when they'll get their next meal. UColombus Mavhunga for VOA News, Harare.